Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best air fryers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the GoWISE USA GW44800 Deluxe 12.7 quarts 15-in-1 electric air fryer. If you have a large family or you often have a lot of friends come over for dinner at your house, then you need to consider the GoWISE USA GW448000. Possessing a huge 12.7 quarts capacity, it's one of the largest units on the market. But despite having a large capacity, it is still compact enough to easily fit in your kitchen's countertop. It also has 3 rack levels, which enables you to cook family-sized meals and control the speed and crispness of your food. Furthermore, the GoWISE unit also comes with an inbuilt rotisserie, which helps you prepare tenderloins, whole roasts, racks of kebabs, or an entire chicken. You can get crunchy, tender meats, impeccably blackened fish, and professionally roasted vegetables with the built-in rotisserie. It's fast, simple, and you will definitely love it. It also includes 10 accessories, which makes it super easy to prepare a homemade meal. In terms of control, this unit features an easy-to-read display with 15 presets, which eliminates the guesswork from temperatures and cooking times. You don't even need to turn the range on to cook to either impress or for convenience. And as soon as you are done, you can easily clean it up, thanks to its stainless steel interior and removable, non-stick drip pan. When it comes to shortcomings, we didn't find many during our research. The only one we could mention is that the included user manual is almost useless, providing little to no help. Moving on at number 4, we have the GoWISE USA 1700 Watt 5.8-QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer. GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer is available with 8 cooking presets for pork, chicken, fries, fish, steak, shrimp, cake, and pizza. It is among the most affordable air fryers that are large enough to feed 3 to 4 people. This multifunctional air fryer comes with 50 recipes that will allow you to bake, fry, roast, and grill diverse meals with little to no oil. The air fryer has a sleek design with a large digital display at the front of the appliance. It has been upgraded with a new start/stop button that adjusts the cooking time and temperature and an integrated alarm that works in 5, 10, and 15-minute increments to remind you to shake your dish. The fryer features a wide temperature range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to accommodate a wide variety of dishes with different cooking temperatures. The temperature is configured to 10-degree increments. It also includes a non-stick pan, a timer of up to 30 minutes, and a detachable basket with a cool touch handle secured with a button guard. Both Cosori CP158AF and GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer have the same wattage and capacity, but the former comes with more presets and recipes and a longer warranty. However, GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer has the added advantage of a 30-day money-back guarantee that reassures customers. At number 3, we have the Big Boss air fryer. Moving ahead, the next inclusion on our list is the Big Boss oil-less air fryer, which with its 16-quart capacity, warrants its name. Its large capacity means it's perfect for large families as you can effortlessly prepare a complete meal at once. However, there is one aspect where this air fryer is really unique from others. It can cook food with triple cooking power that includes halogen, infrared heating, and convection. While infrared lights cook from inside out, convection and halogen are responsible for spreading hot air with a fan. Consequently, this makes the entire process 3 times faster than the convection oven. With this air fryer, you can cook 2 different foods simultaneously. Moreover, the air fryer has a glass body that enables you to keep a tab on your food while cooking. However, for all its upsides, this unit doesn't have a digital display, which means you have to manually control temperature and timer with knobs. Additionally, the timer cannot be reduced if you set it high accidentally, which takes a chop from the convenience ratings of this unit. The unit is dishwasher safe, with the only difficult task being cleaning the main glass bowl. In addition to the fact that it's dishwasher safe, the product also comes with many accessories that include a ring extender and 2 trays. At number 2, we have the Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker. Looking for a healthy eating way for your friends and family doesn't just improve their healthy life, it improves the general quality of their lives. A device with which you can have such an impact on the lives of the people you love is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. Using an air crisp technology, this compact appliance allows you to quickly and easily make fried meals without needing to add any cooking oil whatsoever. This unit reduces additional fats by 70 to 80% without giving up the food's flavor. Furthermore, it delivers 1000 watts of power to heat up quickly to you the cooking temperature you desire. However, the 1.3 quart capacity means that this small appliance was designed for just a single person. But even though its small build means it's not ideal for a large number of people, it allows it to occupy less space on your countertop than the traditional convection oven. Not to mention that it's incredibly easy to clean since the tray has a non-stick coating and is dishwasher safe. With the Dash Compact Air Fryer, you don't need to wait for the fryer to heat up, so using it is pretty easy. It comes with a digital display that allows you to see the exact time remaining and to control the temperature settings to your liking. The only primary issue most users have with the unit is the non-digital timer, so it's rather hard to set with the desired precision. And finally at number 1, we have the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 is an exemplary air fryer that offers you a super fast operation, allowing you to prepare your food in no time at all. While its 4-quart capacity is not really large, it is sufficient to cook for a family of 4 to 6 members. Designed to reduce fat up to 75% than traditional cooking means, this air fryer is a perfect fit for health enthusiasts. Apart from offering health benefits, it's super easy to use, enabling you to start cooking right away without the hassle of studying a complicated user manual first. With a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the unit also comes with adjustable temperature control that enables you to cook whatever you wish. Besides, it comes with 4 programmable cooking functions, which include air fry, reheat, roast, and dehydrate. Then, there is a one-touch control panel that lets you choose between the 4 programmable cooking functions conveniently. Speaking about the functions, the dehydration is suitable for eliminating moisture from ingredients when preparing homemade veggie chips or dried fruits. The unit also has an auto-adjust fan that automatically chooses between the fan speeds, thereby allowing you to cook your favorite foods. In addition, it features a non-stick removable basket with a non-stick coating that simplifies cleaning up.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.